up in here in the name of Jesus. Shut up. You don't have no manners.
Your manners more than you.
Oh, no, be quiet. Be quiet. You don't have no manners.
Me have manners. You don't listen to teacher. Me have manners. You don't listen to teacher. I got to chat teacher. Me no listen to her when she said to her.
Colin, can you calm down in my
Yes,
class?
dog in a G-string.
Colin, can you calm down?
Yes, dog in a G-string. The little boy say, yes, dog in a G-string. Yeah, nigga. Call for your mama. I'm done choke out. Yes. So what I don't know, say One Nation and I'm our nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. My name is Niga Simar, and I'd like for you to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the fam. You understand? Yeah, so we see a little boy right to say when I'm a man stream teacher, what I dive right in that video. You understand what I say? Because this is something that needs to be talked about. So what I dive right in that video when I'm about chatting. You see me? Let's go.
Right. You know what to say, you know, I'm on.
I'm not sure. Don't treat me like that.
You must have manners.
Me have manners more than you.
Don't talk to me so loud. Don't talk to me.
Don't touch me. Come in the way of God. You can't come out of dog shit.
You don't see what I know.
Listen to me. I need to get you.
Be quiet.
Be quiet. I'm not your mom.
Be quiet.
I'm my mom. Don't talk to me like that. We're right.
You know, no man. You go take it to me.
That's why no man no want you.
What? That look boy look like him about 8 or 9. Why is he so vocal in voicing his opinion disrespectfully to the teacher where it's supposed to be there to show him how to be a little boy and behave like a little boy? Them look pretty rude in the brown bread. You understand me? I say, the little you just a back that woman. Have manners. Me have more manners than you. Little boy go easy. You understand me? I say, then you go tell the teacher say, oh, that's why the man no want her. When me done choke like Ving Rams and Tyrese in a baby boy, say man. Yeah, nigga. Call for your mama.
Mom. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Call for your mama.
Me done drop some hot conk in your head. What you say? These little kids don't have no manners. What is going on? The teacher did I try tell you to behave yourself. Him not take no talk. That little boy, it seemed to me said that little boy come from one of the home them where him parents them or him mother or him father tell people said nobody can lick my picnic. And them little picnic are rude and none manners. Parents when I want them youths get disciplined, them don't discipline them youth. You're about to flip my child. When we were a village, meaning say if you go down the road, Mass Pants here say you cuss bad out down the road. Mass Pants is that your father, but him gonna beat you and then carry you to your mother and your mother beat you some more. Them things they can't go on nowadays. You get in trouble for that. And the little boy and the manners in him not have no manners. Go continue with you. See what I go on.
Be quiet. In here. Right.
I'm not like you.
You take it out of me.
You want me alone
Be quiet.
now? Get up.
Put your head on this. No, that cheetah is that get Satan.
No, Satan not like. Shut up. My mom.
Shut up.
My mom.
Shut up in there. I just see the man that maybe not killing me now. You don't have no
Do
man.
not touch me. Come in the way of the You can't shut the dog shit.
Shut up in there.
And look at you use profanity so freely. So freely. And you can see him a do it for validation. Every time him be rude, him look on the person who a laugh. You see, these are the things you want to stop doing now. When you see children are misbehave, stop laugh. Stop laugh. That you're telling them that what they're doing is okay. That little boy, when him done got blood class school, be a baby chocolate upon him blood class fire, lone coker. Look boy the manners. Are these the type of children that is coming out of our culture? Are these the type of children that are coming out of Jamaica? Nobody can discipline them youth. And the fact say the person who record it a skin off them teeth. I don't know if it's another little picnic or is that I don't know who, but it seems like it's a little picnic. It have to be a little picnic. Alone giggling me a ear. Because if this is an adult, I am ashamed. That little boy ain't no manners. This little boy I saw him don't have no manners. Imagine you're going to school to get an education. No teacher not gonna want to deal with you. When you reach high school and you have the attitude there, you get kicked. You get suspended. Bro, nobody's gonna want to deal with you. If you don't have kids like this, you're a failure. That's what I tell people, no matter laugh off of them little rude things that the kids do. You're telling them that what they're doing is okay when it's not okay. Go continue.
Shut up. You don't have no manners.
Your manners more than you.
Oh, no, be quiet. Be quiet. He don't have no manners.
Me have manners. You don't listen to
Boy.
you don't listen to teacher. Me have manners. You don't listen to
Khalid.
teacher. I got to chat teacher. Me don't listen to her when she said to her.
Khalid, can you calm down in my
Yes,
class?
dog in a G-string.
Khalid, can you calm down?
Yes, dog in a G-string. The little boy say, yes, dog in a G-string. Yeah, nigga. Call for your mama. I'm done choke out. Grab him all in him chest. Throw him over there, so. Them little kids, these little kids, they are beyond counseling. They must need, boy, I'm not call down dead pan a little boy. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. But I would have killed him with some like, yo, I praise that teacher. I said that teacher, yeah, I praise that teacher, yeah. You have patience, mama. You have patience. As me say, if I did me, he might go on with me a baby chocolate on him forehead. When we don't drop some hot conk in him with a lone cocoa. The man say, yes, dog in a G-string. Obviously, a little boy cussing like this, I'll be a woman there on him. Him not have no father in him life. The little boy can't have no father. If him have a father in him life, you failed as a father. Your old little boy talk to the woman. A grown woman at that. Dog in a G-string. A them man ya become adult, you know. A them man ya bust off a girl them throat and kidnap them, you know, when them grow up, you know. You're the man that disrespect the woman. Somebody who is supposed to pass down education. Someone who is supposed to fill your mind up with things we are going to need for use at your next school or later on in life. And this is how you're dealing with the person. You don't have no man as bad, bro. At that age, you call a grown woman a dog in a G-string.
Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog.
And don't let me put you outside. Careful.
No, you can't put me outside because me a dog.
I am.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah.
Man.
Yeah, watch your mother.
Right. Think like this tiny.
Yeah, man, a youth a turn Batman and him grew up. That little boy a turn Batman. You're the man a cuss. This little boy, he was brought up by a woman. Nobody can tell me say him have a father in his life. Nobody. And this is not a disrespect. This is not a disrespect to single youth that grew up in a single parent home. Me grew up in a one single parent home, bad bro. But that little boy, him a be a woman there around him. Lone woman. Him trace like girl. Him go like girl. Yes, dog in a G-string. Him have more manners than you. God, if I ever have any kids like this, I am not going to be with its mother. Because it's a it. That's a demon. I break up with the mother. Same time, you not go and go through it. Come in, go through it.
Alright, calm down.
I'm hearing you buy some over my class.
You know,
Yo, the dog frightened. That teacher, they look like the teacher when not play. That teacher will come in, look like the teacher when not play. Every school have one of them teacher there, you know. Every school have one of them teacher there. You have the teacher where it's the run over, and you have the teacher where not take no chat. And you see him look, when tell a teacher they come in, him freeze up. Yeah, he open up wide, if I wonder what if I get beaten. That little boy then I get beaten in my yard, man. You know, sometimes Americans, they say, oh, beating children is slavery. It passed down from slavery. You're probably right. I think you're right. Yeah, it passed down from slavery. I don't know if people that beat them kids before slavery. But sometimes you just have to... You never look to the teacher. Look at the manners, man. Stop laughing when the kids cuss bad word. Stop laughing when the kids disrespect people. Whoop their ass. Clackum. Miss, whosoever you are, you have the patience of God. And I salute you. We as a culture, as a society, we need to do better. When time we see them little kids here, we whoop them ass and send them home. No, man. This is disgusting. Yeah, man, I don't want to think here, man. Even... Yeah, someone don't think. I don't know say one nation and I'm our nation. Bless up. Go home now.